boost up your immunity as a man or as a human being with honey. So make sure that you watch this video. Let me teach you the best way to achieve this. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time, join us by subscribing. Turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will get notification of my new upload concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So today's video is all about the benefits of honey, consuming honey, how to use honey for effective results for men, children and women. Everyone takes honey, and as long as you want to boost up your immunity, take honey. As far as you want your skin to keep shining, consume honey. As long as you want to improve your fertility, immunity, you want to stop anything like cough, catarrh, take honey. By the grace of God, you will see those ailments running away from you. Now, how are you going to consume honey? It is only but you can make it perfect. But I want to give you two best ways to consume honey after my good research, naturally, not English way, but in a natural way to take honey so that it will work in your life. If you want the best from honey, make sure that number one, take honey with warm water. Yes, the essence of that warm water will help to destroy any germs that may be in that honey you want to take. Yes, if you collect honey, especially Africans, you don't know how it is being prepared or how it is being harvested. So for you to take honey or consume it in the right way, make sure that you put it in a warm water. That warm water will help to destroy any germs, any infections in that honey. Through this, you get the best from this honey. Now, the second way you can consume honey is to take it with pap. Yes, if you know pap, as Africa, please put honey. Through it, it can also kill germs that may be in that honey you want to consume. And after doing this, you will get a good value from consuming honey. Now, for those that take tea, maybe Milo, milk, you can put honey as well. As far as hot water is concerned, it will also kill germs in that honey. Now, the reason why I am making this video is to help you eliminate, destroy any germs or infection that may be in that honey, because you don't know how it is being harvested. You don't know how the people that harvested it as an African harvested it. So you don't know the environment where it is being harvested. So using hot water, warm water or pap to take it will help you to kill any germs or infection in it, and the honey in it will give you the good health benefits you desire, like improving your sight, shining your skin, boosting up your fertility, boosting up your immunity, and make you to live healthy. So this is what I want to share with you in this video: how to take honey for effective results. Do it this way and you will get the best from honey. Now, I hope you get value from this video. Please join us, subscribe and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload videos concerning men, natural ways to keep men, and other videos, you will get notification. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. See you in my next upload. Bye.